honor and privilege to speak on this press meet. Let me first of all start by giving glory to Hempu Mukang and P. Rasinja for making this MP election a resounding success. First and foremost, I thank our Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his vision and dedication. My heartfelt thanks to Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, who despite his busy schedule has found his time to grace the elections rally of 4 LAC constituencies. I am grateful to BJP Party President and General Secretary for his support and wisdom and encouragement. And I also thank the BJP board district President Secretary and their team. I owe special gratitude to our CM Dr. Tuliram Rongha for his unwavering support, and I also express my heartfelt thanks to my colleagues for their kind and hospitality, and I also thank the Mahasau CM Debola Saji, and I thank all our well-wisher, intellectual friends and party co-workers for their valuable contributions and guidance. I thank all the distinguished invitee media friends present here for covering the election rally with positive note, and all good heart who walk behind the screen. Last but not the least, I thank all my friends for your cooperation in making this election a resounding success. And I also thank the district administration, the SP, DC and their team that they have worked very hard. And I also thank the election commission for conducting the election very peaceful. There is no untoward incident in any place. So I thank all the people and public of Karbi Anglong and Mahasau. And total cast percentage you have got already, that is 6 Ipu ST parliamentary constituency is 75.61%. So our total voters is 8,90,000 plus. So they have casted their vote 6,73,000. 6,73,000 vote cast kora hoise. Out of 6,73,000 BJP 4,60,000 ami assessment already loa hoise. Last night they have assessed, and 4,60,000 vote ami pam hoy barhibo pare. Total 4,60,000. 4,60,000 and our margin 3 lakhs plus. 3 lakhs plus.